Hey guys, we're back again. This is CryptoCrayze on the 19th of April. Just coming with a quick update on NCASH, Nucleus Vision. Recently, we've seen a lot of news about them, so just thought I'll dig into that really brief so that you guys get an overview of what's going on. Essentially, they've been accused of scam and lies. Having looked through some of their companies, their partnerships that they've claimed to have, somebody's done a bit of research, and having spoken to some of their supposed clients like Tommy Hilfiger, etc., and sending messages to their teams, etc., some people have got back and essentially they've said, that all those so-called partnership arrangements that are in place are actually lies, and that they have no business with NCASH whatsoever, with Nucleus Vision. And this has essentially kicked up all sorts of turmoil. It sent the price blazing down after moving incredibly bullish for a while, and now NCASH is suffering the consequences of lies. They've got out a Medium post, I believe, trying to defend their position or whatnot, but it looks quite difficult to defend against real messages from Tommy Hilfiger. So yeah, that's where we are right now with NCASH. Hopefully that puts a few things in perspective. If you like what you're hearing, if you like these brief updates on various coins, then like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll keep it going.